Imagine that you expect a product announcement of a company for a few years and yet nothing happens. In 2018, it was expected from Google to announce the Pixel Watch alongside the announcement of the Pixel 3 phone. And then again in 2019, people expected Google to announce the Pixel Watch alongside the announcement of Pixel 4. And yet nothing happened. This year we have another exact date for the announcement of the Google Pixel Watch, but we'll get to that too. By now there have been some rendered images of the Pixel Watch, and we can see from these images that it has a circular and a very minimalistic design. It appears that it also only has a crown on the right side of the watch. What's exciting is that it seems like this watch has no bezel. If this is really true, what do you think? Do you think this is a good thing, or it would perhaps only cause lots of cracked or broken glasses? Let me know in the comment section, I would love to read them. The watch itself seems pretty compact, it doesn't look big at all. Also, back in the day, there were rumors that there will probably be 3 versions of this watch. Think about it, not just one Pixel Watch, but 3 of them. And I would think that one of them would probably be an LTE version. As for the specs of this watch, it's highly anticipated that it's going to have the next generation assistant, which means processing of your voice will happen directly on the watch itself. So you can use the voice assistant while being offline. Basically, this means faster responses and more things that your assistant can do, for example, changing a setting. Things that require no online presence. And for that to become possible, they need a more powerful chipset. And that's why it's probably going to be shipped with an Exynos chip from Samsung, or a tweaked version of that with their own branding. Now, one interesting feature of this watch, which was rumored to have the codename Black Ghost, is the ability for your watch to listen out for voice commands 24/7 without the need to, for example, press a button to activate the voice assistant. And this supposedly does not drain your battery as you would expect. For example, in order to activate the voice command on this smartwatch, I would need to press and hold this button, so then I would use my phone's voice assistant directly on this watch. If you want to participate in a free giveaway of a brand new watch like this, you only have 1 more week to go ahead and watch this video and write down a comment. Don't expect a very detailed review though, it's just a review after a few days of wearing this watch. Now, as far as the battery life, we already know that in the Google I/O 2021 conference, they revealed that the Wear OS's battery life is going to be significantly improved. So that's good news, I guess. Unfortunately, there is no information available about the pricing of this watch, but for a Pixel Watch, I would expect a premium level price. And finally, it is rumored that Google will announce the Pixel Watch on May 26th. And if this is really true, as we get closer to that day, we're gonna naturally hear more information about it. One thing is for sure though, once I get my hands on this watch, we're gonna have a giveaway. So stick around and subscribe for more tech videos.